What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube? This is
Hey guys, what are we doing today?
we're replacing a broken sprinkler head.
Alright, so we're gonna take you guys along. I know that I've been promising a few videos for quite some time, and we haven't gotten to it. We have a huge life update for a lot of you guys that don't follow us on Instagram or on TikTok, but we bought a house and we've been in it since the end of December. It happened all quite quickly, but we can talk about that later. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be fixing one of our sprinkler heads, and it's been broken for a couple weeks now.
Yeah.
And so we learned that they're not working properly. Apparently they work with pressure, so just follow along and we'll show you guys how we're gonna fix it, because being a homeowner,
More money, more problems.
exactly, more money, more problems. Okay, so we have outdoor sprinklers. They sit above ground. I have seen some that sit inside or have some kind of guard, right?
Huh?
Like some kind of guard, like you know how they have those things around them.
You're not looking at the sprinkler no more.
Oh shoot.
Alright, you guys. So this is the sprinkler head we're going to be replacing. But actually it's not, because I already took the other one out. But this is just for you guys to know what I'm going to do. So first we're going to start off by digging around the sprinkler head. So, alright guys, so I went ahead and dug around the sprinkler head just to show you guys. This is the sprinkler head that's busted. If you look in there, it looks like the connector piece is got broken. This is actually it. So basically what we did is we went ahead and we dug around the sprinkler head, got this nice little dirt donut in, and this little connector piece was actually stuck in here. So all I did was go ahead and turn it out with a pair of pliers.
So you're just gonna do a little redo of what he did. Does it screw on? Is that basically how you got it out?
Yeah, so basically our kid went ahead and knocked this over with his foot or whatever, and it was kind of like this, so this was gushing out water. So this was easily pulled out, but that's how we realized that this connector piece is broken in there. Went ahead and grabbed these little pliers. Shout out to Harbor Freight for having everything for super cheap. Get it in there, give it a nice little turn, lefty loosey, out.
And that's how he got it out, guys.
So we were able to go to Home Depot. We were able to locate a replacement top as well as the bottom piece. I just went ahead and screwed it in. Okay, and now basically grab the pliers real quick, make sure it's nice and tight. Obviously I don't want to grab it where the grooves are. Okay, I feel a couple more turns. Oh, quite a bit more turns. Okay, about hand tight. As you can see, it kind of did go down more. And then we're just going to go ahead and screw this in here. And there's a rock in there, so that's not going to work. Okay, and then we're just going to go ahead and plop our little dirt donut right there. And go ahead and stomp it in. And we're good. And that's how you do this. So as far as cost, you could call a plumber, or I don't know, whoever you would call for something like this, maybe a handyman. They'll probably charge you about an hour of labor. I don't know what labor is going for a handyman, because I haven't had to get one yet. But it's not going to be cheaper than this. All right, we're looking at $6 is what I spent. $5.44 for the head and 47 cents for the nipple.
Yeah guys, so as you can see, it's a lot cheaper if you do it on your own instead of calling a handyman. As a homeowner, we've luckily, you know, we haven't had to do many repairs, but there are some that are needed, kind of like our sprinklers here, and they weren't working for a while, so we'd have just a gush pretty much coming out from there. Alright guys, so we're about to check out how these are working. Kira was trying to figure out the time setter or the control for these sprinklers. Apparently he reset it, so he's trying to figure out how to set it back to how they were. Okay, so he turned on half of the yard's sprinklers. It's the one right there, there's one right here, and there's one over here in the corner. So the one we replaced is right there. That one right there was gushing out water, which made these here not turn on because they work with pressure. So we'll see. They're supposed to turn on right after these turn off. So we'll see if these turn on. Gosh, guys, they work. Oh no. Okay, false alarm. Apparently that one's not spraying anything. But hey, it fixed the other ones, right? So I guess we have to figure out what's going on with that one. But stay tuned. Sometimes you just have to get in there, you know? Oh, he's doing something. It's looking better. Is it supposed to spray like that? Let's see. Look at the other ones. Okay, that one kind of sprays the same. The other type of... What? Ah, way better. He just kept twisting it. And it looks a lot better. Yay! It worked, guys. So if you come across any issues with your sprinklers, try it out first. You can honestly just lose about $6 around there, give or take, depending on what the issue is, and a few minutes of your time. It's literally been like what, 20 minutes?
Maybe from start to finish.
From start to finish. Okay, shovel and pliers. That's it. So that was it, guys. That's all we wanted to share with you. I hope you learned something. If you come across it, let us know if it worked, or if you did anything different. If you have another way to maybe save more money. I know it's just $6, but again, as a homeowner, you want to save as much as you can. We're going to be working on a couple other videos, so don't forget to subscribe, share, like our video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!
Love you.